Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet this beautiful strap. Both sides are the same. It doesn't stretch and it's really easy. I'm using cotton yarn. This is a number 3 category yarn and a 5mm hook. Alright, let's get started. We start by making a slip knot, and you want to leave a long tail for stitching later. Insert the hook, two chains. That's 1, 2. On the second chain from hook, which is the last chain, this one, place a single crochet. Insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Turn clockwise so the V is facing up, and there's a bar over here. Insert into this bar and place a single crochet. Yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Turn again clockwise. There's the V. This time there are 2 bars. Insert into 2 bars. That's 1 and 2. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Turn again, always clockwise. Insert into the 2 bars. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Turn, insert into the 2 bars, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Turn, insert into the 2 bars, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Turn, insert, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And this is a repeat. Continue with this until it comes to the length you want. And I told you, this is really easy. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!